back with another episode of Fixing Stuff with Beer, and today I'm working on a 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle. We just purchased the Beetle for my daughter, and as any bug owner knows, the first thing you do when you purchase a bug is you start fixing things that are wrong with the bug. So the problem today is that the steering is really difficult, so I went to the auto parts store to buy some power steering fluid. That's not true. Bugs don't have power steering. They are purely powered by Armstrong power steering, but this one really difficult. So we're going to dive into the steering box and see what we can do about it. All right, it wouldn't be Fixing Stuff with Beer if we didn't have beer, and today we are going to test out Roadhouse Brewing Company Family Vacation Cream Ale. Why? My sister bought it for me, A, number one, and two, cool Type 2 splitty on the label. Comes from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This is no longer a vacation, it's a quest. The quest is for fun. You're gonna have fun, and I'm gonna have fun, just like every family road trip ever. It's about 10:30 in the morning on a Monday, but it is President's Day, so I don't feel bad about having a beer for breakfast. Cue the replacements.
All I wanna do is drink beer for breakfast. All I wanna eat is them barbecue chips.
Smells pretty good, kind of a lagery smell to it. A little foamy on the top. Okay, it's all right. It's not bad for breakfast. Okay, the beer is open. It tastes all right. And what I have here is a new steering box for the bug. Instead of trying to fix what was in there, I went ahead and just ordered a new one. We knew we were gonna need it. It is located directly underneath the gas tank, inside the sidewall of the underside of the bug. It's a good idea to point out some basic safety precautions. A, don't fix cars when you're drinking beer. It's stupid. That's me though. Whatever. I do wear safety glasses in case of things dripping in my face, and I've discovered over time that working under vehicles, it's a good idea to maybe put a little soft hat on, because bolts and nuts and things tend to fall on my skull, and at least it provides a little bit of protection, because trust me, I need all the protection I can get. Cool. We're diving back under and pulling that thing out and see what happens. Okay, I got the tools laid out. You can see the steering box there. I got some wrenches. I got an extra long breaker bar, WD-40, and I have jacked up the car already. I did that last night and pre-applied WD-40 to all the bolts that I'm going to need to take off because, well, it's 50 years old. Okay, inside the driver's side wheel well, you see 3 bolts there. Those 3 bolts hold the steering box in place. I got to get those removed. Underneath the Beetle, and you can see the steering box is up there. We have bolt that we have to get off. Up here are the 3 bolts that come through the wheel well. There is a U-joint that connects up at the top that we got to disengage, and hopefully we can just then pull that bad boy out, slap the new guy in. Alright, so things have taken a completely expected turn, and it is nearly impossible to free the steering box from the control arm. So we're going to take the opportunity to let a little more WD-40 sink in and help free up the frozen part. And in the meantime, we're going to enjoy another sip of this family vacation cream ale from Roadhouse Brewing of Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Again, it's pretty good. It's 4.9% alcohol as noted, so it's pretty light. If you're gonna have beer for breakfast, might be the one. It's a little sweet for my taste, but I guess it's a cream ale, and that's to be expected. So again, it's pretty tasty. Alright, many hours have passed. It's pretty much getting dark out, but with the help of some freeze off, WD-40, gigantic fucking hammer, and a lot of elbow grease, I was able to get the old steering box out finally, crush the shit out of it, got the new steering box ready to go, attach the U-joint up underneath that, slide that up in the car, and hopefully Lucy will be driving pretty soon. And she'll remember forever that you suffer for the cause. We can see with the gas tank up, yoga block holding the gas tank up, there is a steering linkage. The top of the U-joint is reconnected, going down through a hole in the bottom. Now we're going to go underneath and lick it all up. Okay, one other thing, we're still sipping on Family Vacation Cream Ale from Roadhouse Brewing in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. It's been sitting out all day, and much like other things that get old, it totally lost its flavor. That's terrible. Alright, a new day has dawned, and I've rolled the bug out of the garage into the driveway, and I'm ready to give it a test drive. Hopefully I pull out of the driveway, make a big right turn, and we're good to go. If not, I'm not going to turn right. I'm going to drive into the house across the street, and it's going to be a huge bummer, but we'll see. Again, Roadhouse Brewing Company, Family Vacation Ale, it's alright.